There are many different ways that AI is influencing job seekers today, particularly on Upwork. Now, if you are on Upwork and you've seen this little icon, you'll know that this is Uma. Now, if you haven't heard about it, it's no big deal. Today, I'm going to take you through exactly how to use Uma, which is Upwork's mindful AI. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. My name is Tyler. You're on What's Next. We are looking at Uma, which is Upwork's mindful AI. So let's jump straight in. We are right over here on my job feed, and all you need to do is run through your job feed and you'll be able to actually see a job that you would like to apply for. So I'm going to go ahead and look at this voiceover artist for YouTube videos, and then I'm going to go over and you are going to now see that there are all the details of the job for the client, and at the bottom you'll see apply now. Now once you hit apply now, you'll see that you'll have the option when you're submitting your proposal to actually have Uma view the job and help you with your proposal. And this is particularly great for beginners, anybody that doesn't know how to submit a proposal that is effective and that's really going to reach the client. This is exactly for you. Now you'll see this is the submit a proposal page, and right at the bottom you will see now that there is this little icon again, and you're going to go ahead and tap on it, and here you can ask anything. Now again, I want you to just understand that this is not just ChatGPT on another tab and you explaining to it what exactly you're trying to do. This is embedded into Upwork, and this will allow you to chat with Uma directly related to the job that you're in. And that's why this icon showed up right here now when we went into the submit profile or submit proposal page. So let's go ahead and ask it some questions. I'm going to go ahead and say, how do I approach this proposal with a strong introduction? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to push send. Now within the next few seconds, you will have a reply directly from Uma. Now I'm going to scroll all the way to the top, and I'm going to do it slowly. I need you to see that this is super detailed. All right. So just close this text box here. You'll see that all of this is what the response was. So all I wanted was a proposal introduction, and I got all of this. Now of course this is not a copy paste situation. This is a read through and adjust according to your needs. So make sure that you read through the response if you are going to copy it, and make sure the adjustments are made when you are pasting it. So you're going to go down over here. You can literally click on insert cover letter, which is really nice. However, you do still want to make changes because it's put in some nice details there, but it is still not exactly what it should be as a finished product. You can also see at the bottom that it says key elements addressed, and it shows you everything that it looked at when writing this cover letter. Now, this is just one particular use case when you are using Uma. I'm going to leave this page over here. We are going to go out of this job particularly, and we're going to go up to our profile picture on the top left hand side, and here you will see a bunch of things including the chat with Uma. Now this chat over here will bring up this box, and these are for common questions to help you understand how Upwork works. Maybe you want to ask something about different types of clients, how to spot scammers, maybe how to approach certain clients that have certain expectations, whatever it is. And here you can generalize and not be job specific. I'm going to ask the most obvious question here. How do I spot scams on Upwork? I'm going to hit the send button, and again it says that Uma is in beta. So really what you should be doing is taking it with a pinch of salt, because it is still in beta. Just like every other AI, you want to also make sure that you're fact checking everything that it is giving you, but ultimately it's giving you an overview of how to spot scams on Upwork. And in my experience, in the years that I've been on Upwork, you'll actually know, if you have watched a few of my videos, that a lot of these I've actually covered in previous videos. Unrealistic pay, vague job descriptions, off-platform communications, free work requests, and then malicious links. These are all things that are really accurate. So I would rate that this answer is really, really good. It goes on to explain a bit of its answers, and you can carry on with this chat. Now that you know how to use UMA on Upwork, you can go ahead and start looking for jobs. A good place to start is right over here by writing a converting cover letter, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Until we see each other next time, keep on asking yourself, what's next?